Good morning from the Magic Kingdom. We are here for another day at the parks. Let's go inside and see what kind of fun we can have. Before we get going, make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button. Make sure that you join us for all of our Disney content, all of our travels and lifestyle content, and come along and enjoy our day at the Magic Kingdom. There she be. So our plan this morning is to get up a little bit later. We just had breakfast at the Grand Floridian at the Grand Floridian Cafe. It's about 10 o'clock, a little bit after. We're here to go to the Magic Kingdom. We have an individual lightning lane for Peter Pan at 12:40. I think at 10:40 we have a Seven Dwarfs. So that's where we're starting, and we'll see what else we can get throughout the day and how we can negotiate the whole Genie Plus thing. It is a bright and sunny and awesome day here, and we're here to have some fun. Let's go. First up is Voyage of the Little Mermaid. There's only 15 minutes standby line. We probably haven't been in line that long. And we're, as soon as we're done, it should be time for Seven Dwarfs. We're just outside of Little Mermaid. We just got done, and it's time for us to make another lightning lane. It's 2 hours since park opened, so we can make our next one, even though we haven't ridden our first one yet. So we are deciding, I think we're going to get Haunted Mansion. 25. So here's our experience so far with Genie Plus. This trip is you just have to be flexible. So we thought we were going to get a Haunted Mansion around noon, but it didn't happen that way. So by the time we clicked on it, it was like 1 o'clock. So now we're gonna go do, I think Barnstormer line is really short. Then we're gonna come back and do our Seven Dwarfs because we have an hour to do that and it just started. We might do Winnie the Pooh if we've got more time. And then we'll head back into Fantasyland and do Small World and Peter Pan. So, and we did get our Haunted Mansion at 1 o'clock. So it's just, you gotta be flexible because you don't know what you're gonna get once those lightning lanes open back up the next time. So here we go. I think we're gonna try Barnstormer next. Okay, Barnstormer is done. Now we're gonna do our individual lightning lane for Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, which looks like a good idea because I don't want to stand in that line. Here we go. All right, we're riding Mine Train. I don't have my gimbal, so pardon the bumps. We're in the front. I've never ridden this in the front, I don't think. Here we go. Up. I need my sunglasses on. I know. Woohoo! No, see? It's pretty good. Oh no. Thank you. Cheshire Cafe. You got a mixed up slushie. I got that on video. Raspberry with sprinkles. Time for a mid-morning break. A little drink, a little snack. To the Cheshire Cafe. Steph got a slushie. I just got a cup of ice. They gave me like a big, nice cup of ice. Just ice for free, which is, I think, better than the ice that you can get when you go to the quick service and just ask for ice water. So there's my little pro tip of the day. Where are we at? We have already done a lot of stuff. We got here around 10, and the first thing we just walked straight through, went through the castle, and then we went to Little Mermaid. Then from there we got off and we went to Storybook Circus, so we rode the Barnstormer, and then we came out, and we went to our Seven Dwarfs, right? Have we done anything else? We just rode the teacups. We just got off the teacups, so we are here. We still have, what, like an hour till our Peter Pan? 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes till our Peter Pan starts. Then we have a whole hour so we can ride it. So we're gonna go to Small World, which is probably about 25 minutes right now. Take up some time on Small World. So we've done several standby lines, but that is what it is. But we're doing the short ones. And then we'll come across the way here to Peter Pan. And then I think we have a regular Genie Plus Lightning Lane for Haunted Mansion, and then we'll see what we can get after that.
Another one after we scan into Peter Pan.
Yep. So that's our plan, and that's where we've been so far. We'll see what we get through the rest of the day. So stay with us. Time for Peter Pan.
Come on, everybody, here we go!
Help me! Mr. Speed, help me!
Watch your step. Do not lift up on the safety valve. It will lift automatically. Then exit to your right onto the moving belt and watch your step.
We are here. Guess what? We just scanned in. We just got a Pirates while we were waiting for Peter Pan. So we have Pirates after this, but not till 3, so like 2 hours from now. So we'll probably go get lunch. We'll see what else we can get. On to Haunted Mansion. Adventureland and the Festival of Fantasy Parade. My phone overheated, so we had to cut it off short. We spent a little time in the ye olde Christmas shop, and now we cut through the secret passageway over to Adventureland. We're gonna ride Pirates. Pro tip, if you need to charge your phone, there are tons of outlets in the Ye Olde Crystal Shop. Time for Pirates.
Anchor now, you swabbies. What may I offer for these hearty heads?
Time for my favorite ride, the People Mover.
Many of the exciting places you want to be sure to enjoy today while visiting this land of tomorrow.
Here we are on Adrian's favorite ride. I love it. I can stay on it always. They let us stay on the People Mover for a second round. So here we go. All right, just another check-in. We have finished the People Mover. We have had a pretty good day so far. We've gotten to ride almost everything we wanted to. We have made fast passes. Sorry, I'm gonna always say that. We have made our Genie Plus Lightning Lane reservations. I think we have one for Winnie the Pooh coming up, and then we're gonna probably chill for the evening, get some dinner, and maybe sit and find a spot to watch the fireworks a little bit later. We have seen these fireworks only from like the back of Fantasyland where the carousel is and the Pinocchio Village House. So we're gonna actually see, hopefully, find a good spot and see the projections today. So that's the plan for the rest of the afternoon and evening. Hope you're enjoying this video. Hope it's helpful. We did get to ride the People Mover 2 times in a row. So if it's not a long line, maybe ask to do that if you're loving the People Mover and it's nice out. That's an option sometimes. We did the Monsters Inc. Laugh Floor and the Space Ranger Spin. We've had a pretty good luck this time with scheduling our Genie Plus Lightning Lanes kind of in the same lane so that we're not zigzagging back and forth across the park. We haven't gotten to do Jungle Cruise. That may be one that we miss out on this time, just depending on the schedule. That one, the Lightning Lanes they're really late into the day already, and so unless the wait time goes down, we're probably not gonna do that one. But we've done everything else, so all in all, pretty good day so far. We will finish up with some dinner and some fireworks and probably some shopping on the way out. I mean, you can't skip that. So stay with us and we'll keep doing more Magic Kingdom. So I just wanted to give you this little pro tip. We are in the gift shop at the end of Space Mountain. I think it's called the Tomorrowland Power and Light Company. But they have tons of charging stations. So because I forgot my battery charger brick, my battery pack, I am using the wall charger and it's going pretty quickly. So if you are in need of some juice, you can come here and hang out in the air conditioning, do some shopping, and you can have your phone charged. So that's what I'm doing right now, in case you needed to know this. We did not know this was back here, so now you know.
He'll never reach that grave.
Why me? Why me? Oh dear. Hang on tightly, Roo.
Woo! We're at the top. night is complete without a final trip to the confectionery. We grabbed some goodies, went shopping on the way out. It is actually starting to rain, so we're gonna head back and get back to the room tonight as quick as we can before we get rained on. But thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this day at the Magic Kingdom. Please make sure you do the like and subscribe as always. And we'll see you with our next video real soon. Bye.